Hey guys, it's getting sort of close to that time of year where the garden is in the front of my mind. And today, early this morning, I went to my buddy's place and bought a couple of round bales that he's had. Well, they've been out behind his barn for probably the last 2.25 years. I'm gonna get 2 more. Price is really reasonable when they're in this shape. He charged me $5 a piece. He was gonna give them to me, but it cost him money to make them, running his tractor and his time and stuff. So I said, no, I'm gonna pay you for them. And he said, all right. He said, I won't take any more than $5. So I've got 2 now, and I'll get 2 more sometime this week. Picked up a couple of nice bales for the horses, and I figured I'd just get these while I was already there. So this is the garden area from last year. And the beehive thing, I had bees in it almost immediately after I put that out, and I didn't populate it. I just kind of let it go naturally. But they did not hang around. They checked it out for probably a week or 2, and I really had a good vibe, but my vibe was crushed by the universe. So I've got to figure something out for this year. But anyway, I just wanted to make a quick vid on the Ruth Stout gig. I'm going to do that again this year. We're still eating some canned foods and spaghetti squash that I grew here last year. And it is almost April. It's the very end of March. So I wanted to get this hay down. I'm so far behind with everything that's going on, and my job has been crazy, and so I just thought I'd bring you guys along and, show you what's up. I got to manhandle these things off the trailer, and they're all slimy and gross and nasty. But once they're down and spread, it'll all be good. So hang in there, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Well, there's the first one down and spread. And if you've seen my other videos, this is the same area that I did the same thing last year. Last year was the first time I tried this so-called Ruth Stout method. A lot of people say to use straw because the hay promotes a lot of weeds. But quite honestly, I didn't have a weed problem last year. Can't tell you why. You would think there'd be boatloads of seeds in this, and you would have a lot of weeds, but that just wasn't the case. So I'm going to get ready here to put the second one down, and I've been saving all of my wood stove ash and bark and chips and stuff from splitting wood all winter, and that's going to get mixed in with this as well. So we'll be back after we drop the second round bale down. I thought it'd give you an idea of what this looks like when it really starts to decompose. Last year I had really good results with this method. And as I said, this really should have been done months ago so that the entire thing looked like this by this time of the year. But life makes things difficult sometimes. Last year, man, I had a lot of insects and worms and stuff under here. Now, because I did it late last year, the only real problem that I had was the roots wanted to stay shallow. And because of that, I had to water it a lot more than I typically would have using this method. I've seen a lot of videos and read a lot of articles where once you have a thick base of this hay, it retains the moisture throughout the day, and watering is very minimal, if at all, you know, if you have any kind of rainfall. But again, I just wanted to show you this, what it really looks like when it starts to break down well. And man, there's a lot of stuff in here that the vegetables love. So I'm going to finish spreading this round bale and we'll be back. Okay, there's both bales spread. And as I said, I'm going to get 2 more. And that should make really good for this upcoming growing season. I'll spread this around to get it kind of even. However, I'm probably going to make a large pile for the potatoes. They seem to do pretty well last year. So I just wanted to share this today. And again, I'm very late. This should have been done months ago. So I'll keep making vids throughout the season. Show how these ideas are progressing. So you guys have a great Sunday. Enjoy your day and stay safe. Talk soon.